Hey, welcome back to another episode of MyRc Live. This is part of the comparison series, comparing the TT02 lineup, which is the most well-known beginner lineup for those of you that want to build your own race cars and take them spec racing. In this episode, we're going to take a look at and do the unboxing of the kit that's not actually compliant for TT02 spec racing, but is part of the TT02 lineup. This is the TT02 SRX. In this episode, we're just going to unbox it. We'll assemble it in the next episode. Alright. First, open the box. We are presented with the tub chassis, a set of wheels, pretty cool 5-spoke white wheels, the touring car wheels, they are the same size all the way around. The urethane bumper. Arms and shocks. And I see a high torque servo saver in there. Ooh, this is a heavy bag. In this bag we've got what looks like an aluminum drive shaft, all of our pivot balls, it looks like a high-speed gear set, ball bearings, hinge pins, and this is a basic TT01 tree with the shock towers and pivots, suspension pivots, gear covers. This bag here is also a basic TT02 kit tree. The bumpers and the control arms, and the shock bits, the body mounts. It looks like out of this bag all we'll really be using is the bumpers and the body mounts. Probably not the control arms, since part of the SRX package is the improved control arms. And this is also a standard TT02 kit tree that has the battery mount and the gearbox cover and the cooler, the motor cooling stuff. Cool decal sheet from the bottom of this TT02 SRX. And then of course we have the instructions and antenna tube. Alright. Cool. Okay, so this is going to be our third car in the series. It's going to be the Tamiya TT02 Type-SRX. And this is the one that does not qualify for TT02 spec racing, but it is their top model in the TT02 lineup. And it seems still kind of like a beginner car, but more aligned towards the people that they want to do higher end touring car racing, or maybe it's time that you guys out there putting together your spec series allow the Type S kits their own series or something. Alright, well, that was just going to be a quickie episode today. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so that you are alerted when it comes time for this video to drop for assembling this kit. Alright guys, you have a good weekend. Peace.